Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'll be trying out this hot hairbrush that I got on AliExpress. So I've been seeing people reviewing this brush and raving about it, so I decided to get one and try it out for myself, because lately I've just been so busy that I hardly even have time to take care of my natural hair because it's so curly and my coils are really tight. The thought of detangling my hair just makes me abandon the hair, which is not good. So I decided to straighten it out a little bit. It's going to be easier for me to manage like this. So I've already done this part of my hair, as you can see, and to be honest, I love the results so far. So this is what the brush looks like. This part of the brush is, I don't know how to say it, it's more like plastic, so it doesn't burn your skin. The main hot part is inside of the brush, so this brush does not burn your skin, which is very, very important. And the heat is not damaging, like the heat is not so hot to the extent of burning your hair. It doesn't smoke, nothing like that, and it is very, very easy to use. It doesn't even take time to straighten your hair. So what you're going to need is a detangling brush to detangle your hair. You're going to need a rat tail comb to part your hair. You're going to need oil to protect your hair from heat damage, which is very, very important. And you're going to need the brush, of course. So like I said, I'm done with this part of my hair and I absolutely love the result that I got. It was really, really easy. It didn't take me time to finish up this part. So I'm going to take down my cornrow on this other part and I'll use this part to do the demo for this brush. And like I said, I got this on AliExpress, so you guys can check out AliExpress for your hot brush, or you can buy it on Amazon, which is going to be more expensive. I think I only paid 16 to 17 euro for this brush, which is amazing. When I first got this brush, I plugged it and I turned it on, but I wasn't seeing any heat, so I started to imagine, are you sure this brush is working? But when I put my hair into this brush, it straightened the hair. So yeah, the brush doesn't burn your skin, which is great. My hair is already moisturized because I do apply oil to my hair like every 2 days. I moisturize my hair with oil. So my hair is moisturized, but I'm still going to be applying more oil because I don't want any heat damage on my hair. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'll part the hair. Like I said, you need a rat tail comb. I started from the back section of my hair. So I'm going to apply my oil. You take the brush is already turned on. So you put your hair into the brush. You can see how fast it tangles your hair, it straightens the hair out.
It's Beauties. One time. Standard. One time. It's got to be. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them.
This is what the first one looks like, which is not bad at all. So I'm going to separate another section of hair.
I feel alive. One by one, them a step in on me yard, them a enter. them man are telling me then go slow. Them are feeling on my vibe and see the girl them go down. Ooh wee, bad man run the show now. Oh yeah, see the girl them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show, and a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Go digga, she a gold digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga.
Now me all and see.
Go digga, she a gold digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga. Call me emergency.
One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time me a never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh, ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee, bad man run the show now. Oh yeah, see the girl, them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show, and a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Go digga, she a gold digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga.
Now me all and see.
Go digga, she a gold digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga.
Call me emergency. Original Batman. One time. He's Butty baby. Vicus, mix and mix it. Yeah, no. Leg up.
Done dada, fire can't cool me up on tire. But I
Original Batman.
It's Beauties. Me a run dire.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me heart. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me heart. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I not bad man, I they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I not bad man, I they want to say I. She not bad man, they want to feel.
Done dada, fire can't cool me up on tire. But I
Original Batman.
Nobody said me a run dire.
African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley, me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. We changing style with the girl, system warning. Aye, me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't see a bill.
So guys, this is basically it. As you can see, my hair is so soft. I'm loving this so much. So much. So guys, this is the result. The ends of my hair are not dried like most other brushes will make the ends of your hair dried, but this one is not like that. And also I applied a lot of oil on my hair. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. Like I said before, I got this brush on AliExpress. You can search for hot hair brush or hot hair comb, and I'll show you guys what it looks like so you know what to get. There are different models, but yeah, this is the one that I got. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me, I waste like I mean a bad man, they want to say I mean a bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me.